Hello and welcome. Now, in this video, we're going to be talking about interfacing with customers and suppliers and people outside of your team and your business. And there are going to be cases where you're going to have notes where you're going to want to share with other people, but they may not have Evernote, nor are they part of your team, even if they do. And you can do that. If you're looking at the note that we're looking at right now, all you would need to do is you would need to go to this drop down arrow, which is your share area. And one of the first ways that you can do that is you can copy a share URL. And once you copy that URL, then you can actually share that URL with someone that doesn't have Evernote, nor do they have access to our team information. And that link that we shared, this is what it would look like to someone who just received the link and there was no requirement for them to have Evernote. We can also send a copy by email. And we can do that in this menu. As you can see in this email note, there is no requirement for the person to have an Evernote account. They're going to get a link to the actual image. You can actually copy yourself on it, and then you can send it out in this way. Now we can also share an entire notebook. And if we right click the notebook and then we click share notebook, once again, using this feature, we do not have to have someone to have an Evernote account, and we can determine what it is that they're going to be able to do and have access to. Now, if the customer or supplier has Evernote, we can share this notebook. And actually what's going to happen is it's going to convert into a work chat. We've seen this in previous videos. So if you know their email address and they already have an Evernote account, what you're going to be doing is you're going to be sharing this notebook within Evernote, even though they are outside of our business technically. And finally, it is permissible for an individual to be able to interface with us, with our business content, and have a free account. So in other words, if that person is outside of our team, they don't have to have a business account in order to be able to have the information we're going to be sharing with them. They can have a free Evernote account and experience our content seamlessly. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.